Well, howdy. This is Jeremy Dawkin. I am the Chemistry 1 team leader and teacher for this year. And first things first, if you would, go ahead and fill out the attendance form. It also gives me some feedback about the course. You could find that link in the Schoology folder, which is also embedded. So either one you choose, you don't have to do both of them, just one. Or you can scan this QR code here and you can fill that out, and that would let me know that you are present today. I'm going to go ahead and get started. My name is Jeremy Dawkin again, and I teach chemistry here at the school. I am married. I've been married for about 3 years, and I went to Texas A&M University and graduated with a bachelor's degree in 2016. And then my wife and I both stuck around and got our master's degrees in 2017 in curriculum and instruction. I'm certified to teach all sciences here at the high school. And so I always let the students know that if they need help with physics or anatomy after chemistry, then they can certainly come to my room. And then in 2019, my wife and I took the classes and we went ahead and got certified as realtors. And we work for a company called EXP Realty, and that is a virtual company. And we just love helping out friends and family primarily, and it's been a really good thing. I sponsor the Leo Club here at school, which is strictly a service-based club, and we partner with the Lions Club in town. We're a junior branch of the Lions Club, and so this is my shameless plug. If your student needs somewhere to get plugged in to get some volunteer hours, they can certainly join Leo Club. So if you have questions about that, please let me know. A couple things about grading in this class. Tests are worth 70% of their grade, both major labs and tests. They'll have one major lab every 6 weeks, and then they'll have 2 to 3 tests every 6 weeks. Practice grades are 30%. Homework is 1. Labs are 2. Those are daily labs, not major labs. And then quizzes that we take are 3. Students can retest for up to a 70, and if they earn below a 70 on a test, then they come and speak to me. We talk about tutorial times. They come in, they correct their test first, and then they take a retest to get that grade up to a 70. Late work for daily grades, 70, it drops down to a 70 after the due date. And then after that, I wait until the day of the test, and if they turn it in the day of the test, then it drops down to a 50. And then after that, we do not take it because we've already moved on to a brand new unit. Now, of course, if there's excused absences and extenuating circumstances, then the students just need to talk to me, and we'll get it figured out. Otherwise, those are the grading procedures for this course. So far, we've covered 2 topics in chemistry. Students took their dimensional analysis test on Friday, and then a couple weeks before that, they took their math skills along with some intro to chemistry. I highlighted moles there. Mole Day is October 23rd. The students will have an opportunity to earn plenty of bonus points that they can use the rest of the year. So I'll be sending out information via email when that comes around. Otherwise, we got a couple of units that we're going to cover in between, like atomic structure and history and periodic trends. Students can receive extra help in tutorials. I offer them before and after school most days. If I am not going to be here, I'll let the students know, and I also have my tutorial times posted outside. We also have a department tutorial schedule for the science department that we also post outside of our room, so the students can look there too. Just in case I'm not there, they can go to any other teacher. Our AP students in chemistry who have taken Chem 2, they are available for tutoring. And there's a QR code that's new this year. Usually the students fill out a paper form, but we have a QR code, and I've also linked that in the Schoology folder too. So you can check that out if you want to go ahead and look around. If you feel like your student needs a tutor, perhaps they don't feel comfortable with the teacher and they'd rather have one of their peers sit and speak with them, they can sign up via that QR code and they can get help with a tutor. We have Success 24/7 videos. That link was created a few years back, and it covers the little topics in chemistry, and it's a great resource for students to go and watch videos. Otherwise, I create all of my own videos. The students can always watch those videos, and they can go and get extra help there. The notes are always posted. Keys to the worksheets that they do are posted a day or 2 after they've completed them, so the students have those resources available. You can always email me in case you need anything at jdawkin@csisd.org. You can message me on Schoology, which most of the students have been doing. Phone number is posted there, and my extension is 6609. I have conference 3rd period this year, which is 10:15 a.m. to 11:10. So if you need to speak with me, just give me an email or a message ahead of time, and I'd love to schedule that with you in advance. Otherwise, I know it was quite a bit, but thank you for hanging in there. Again, fill out that Google form in order to get credit for attendance for coming tonight. Appreciate your time. Have a good night. God bless.